Welcome to Mac Knowledge Hub.
Why MCQs? According to research, MCQs are 200% more effective for memory than passive learning. At Mac Knowledge Hub, we turn facts into fun challenges so you learn faster and remember longer. Don't miss out. Hit subscribe button, turn on notifications, and let's unlock knowledge.
Hello learners. Welcome to the Ultimate World Capitals Challenge. Test your knowledge with 25 exciting and tricky questions from around the world. You'll have just 10 seconds for each, so stay sharp and think quickly. Pause if needed. Ready to challenge yourself? Let's begin. Which capital city is located on two continents, Europe and Asia? Correct answer is Istanbul. Fun fact: Istanbul is the only city in the world spanning two continents. The capital of Australia is not Sydney or Melbourne. What is it? Correct answer is Canberra. Fun fact: Canberra was chosen as a compromise between Sydney and Melbourne. Which capital is famous for the Eiffel Tower? Correct answer is Paris. Fun fact: the Eiffel Tower was built for the 1889 World's Fair. Which capital is located near Mount Fuji? Correct answer is Tokyo. Fun fact: Mount Fuji is Japan's tallest and most iconic mountain. Which capital city is known for canals and is often called the Venice of the North? Correct answer is Amsterdam. Fun fact: Amsterdam has over 100 kilometers of canals. Which capital city is closest to the equator? Correct answer is Quito. Fun fact: Quito lies almost directly on the equator line. Which capital is known for the Colosseum? Correct answer is Rome. Fun fact: the Colosseum could hold up to 50,000 spectators. Which capital city is the political center of the European Union? Correct answer is Brussels. Fun fact: Brussels hosts major European Union institutions. Which capital city is built along the Seine River? Correct answer is Paris. Fun fact: the Seine divides Paris into left bank and right bank. Which capital city is known for the Petronas Towers? Correct answer is Kuala Lumpur. Fun fact: the Petronas Towers were the world's tallest buildings until Taipei 101 surpassed them in December 2004. Which capital city is located on the Nile River? Correct answer is Cairo. Fun fact: the Nile is the longest river in the world. Which capital is known for Big Ben? Correct answer is London. Fun fact: Big Ben is actually the bell inside the clock tower. Which capital city's name means City of Peace in Arabic? Correct answer is Islamabad. Fun fact: Islamabad was purpose-built in the 1960s to replace Karachi as Pakistan's capital. Which capital city is known as the City of Lights? Correct answer is Paris. Fun fact: Paris earned this name due to early street lighting. Which capital city is the southernmost in the world? Correct answer is Wellington. Fun fact: Wellington is the southernmost capital of a sovereign state. Which capital city is famous for Red Square? Correct answer is Moscow. Fun fact: Red Square is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Which capital city is the largest in Africa? Correct answer is Cairo. Fun fact: Cairo is the largest city in the Arab world. Which capital city is known for its windmills and tulips? Correct answer is Amsterdam. Fun fact: tulips are a major symbol of the Netherlands. Which capital city lies along the Tiber River? Correct answer is Rome. Fun fact: the Tiber River runs through the heart of Rome. Which South American capital was originally named City of Kings by Spanish founders in 1535? Correct answer is Lima. Fun fact: Lima accounts for nearly one-third of Peru's total population and was colonial South America's most important city. What is the only country that has 3 official capital cities? Correct answer is South Africa. Fun fact: Pretoria is executive, Cape Town legislative, and Bloemfontein judicial capital of South Africa. Which capital city's name changes during Buddhist alms rituals from its official name to Krong Thep? Correct answer is Bangkok. Fun fact: Bangkok's full ceremonial name is the world's longest city name at 168 letters. Which capital city is known for Brandenburg Gate? Correct answer is Berlin. Fun fact: the Brandenburg Gate is a symbol of German unity. Which capital city's residents must wear national dress in government offices by law? Correct answer is Thimphu. Fun fact: Bhutanese wear traditional GHO, men, and kira, women, in schools, offices, and formal occasions. Which capital city spans 14 islands connected by 57 bridges? Correct answer is Stockholm. Fun fact: Stockholm's old town, Gamla stan, dates to the 13th century and is wonderfully preserved. Which capital city's name means Eastern Capital in Japanese? Alright learners, here's a special challenge just for you. We're not revealing the answer this question. Drop your answer in the comments below, and don't just write the option, share a fun fact about it too. Thank you for watching the World Capitals quiz on MAQK Knowledge Hub. We hope you discovered new facts and strengthened your geography skills. Stay tuned for more exciting quizzes on geography, science, and general knowledge. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Let us know in the comments how many you got right. See you in the next video. Keep learning and keep growing.